Data handling, finding the mean. What is the average height of a 7th standard student? What do you mean by this question? Is it the height of each 7th standard student or the height of all the 7th standard students? Actually, it is neither of the two. When we find out the average height, what we are trying to find is the height that most of the students are closest to. Some children will be a little more than that height, some will be a little shorter, but most of the children will be very close to it. How will you find the average height of your class? Let us imagine that there are 10 children in your class. You have to first measure the height of each child. Let us do it in inches and record the height of each child. Here are our results. 61, 58, 55, 59, 63, 51, 57, 56, 60, 59. The heights of 10 children of 7th standard in inches: 61, 58, 55, 59, 63, 51, 57, 56, 60, 59. Next, we add all the numbers up. 61 plus 58 plus 55 plus 59 plus 63 plus 51 plus 57 plus 56 plus 60 plus 59 is equal to 579. There are 10 children, so we divide the total height by 10. Average height of a 7th standard student is equal to 579 divided by 10, that is equal to 57.9 inches. Average height of a 7th standard student is equal to 57.9 inches. As you can see, not a single student is exactly at 57.9 inches. Some are a little taller and some are shorter. However, most of the children are very close to 57.9 inches. So if you think of a 7th standard student in that class, that student's height will be very close to 57.9 inches. So that is the average. Recollect the method of finding the average. We collect the information we need for every item. We add all the numbers that we have. We divide the sum by the number of items we have added. Mathematicians have a special word for average. They call it mean. When you find the mean, there are certain things you should keep in mind. Mean is found for the same type of quantities. For example, heights or weights or ages or price. All quantities that you are adding to find the mean must be the same type. Mean found need not be one of the given measures. For example, when we found the mean height of the 7th standard students, no student had exactly that height. Mean is between the greatest and the least number. It is the number that represents the group. You get a rough idea about the numbers when you know the average. What is the formula to find mean? Mean is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. The number that we find as mean has the same units as the quantities that we have added up. Samir played 5 cricket matches. These were the runs he scored in each match. What is his mean score? Mean is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. So sum of all quantities is the runs. So that is equal to 17 plus 85 plus 0 plus 65 plus 33 upon 5. That is equal to 200 upon 5. That is equal to 40 runs. Study the sale of milk over 6 months at a milk center and find the mean sale per month. Mean is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. That is equal to 2470 plus 2655 plus 1938 plus 2572 plus 2894 plus 2945 upon 6, that is equal to 15,474 upon 6, that is equal to 2,579 liters. Study the daily maximum temperature over the week and find the mean maximum temperature. Mean is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. That is equal to 32.8 plus 34.7 plus 32.0 plus 38.8 plus 41.1 plus 35.6 plus 37.0 upon 7. That is equal to 252 upon 7, that is equal to 36 degrees Celsius. Study the weights of the people in an office and find the mean weight. Average is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. 98 plus 102 plus 100 plus 91 plus 89 plus 90 upon 6 is equal to 570 upon 6 is equal to 95 kgs. Find the mean weight of Ram, Hari and Vishnu. Mean is equal to 98 plus 102 plus 100 upon 3. That is equal to 300 upon 3. That is equal to 100 kgs. Find the mean weight of Madhav, Sham and Abhay. Mean is equal to 91 plus 89 plus 90 upon 3. That is equal to 270 upon 3. That is equal to 90 kgs. The total sale of a cooperative store for 6 days is rupees 7,380. What is the mean daily sale of the store during the 6 days? Average is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. That is equal to 7,380 upon 6 is equal to 1,230 rupees. So the mean sale of the store per day is rupees 1,230. A group of 12 students got these marks in the math test: 30, 30, 25, 35, 15, 20, 47, 40, 45, 50, 40, 43. What are the mean marks? Mean is equal to sum of all quantities upon number of quantities. That is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 25 plus 35 plus 15 plus 20 plus 47 plus 40 plus 45 plus 50 plus 40 plus 43 upon 12. That is equal to 420 upon 12. That is equal to 35 marks. How many students scored more than the mean marks? The mean score in the test is 35 marks. Six students scored more than the mean marks. How many students scored less than the mean marks? Five students scored less than the mean marks. How many students scored marks equal to the average? One student scored exactly the average marks. One more mathematical term you should know is the range. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value. These are the marks of students in an exam. What is the range of marks? 30, 30, 25, 35, 15, 20, 47, 40, 45, 50, 40, 43. What is the range? Highest marks are 50, lowest marks are 15. Range of data is equal to 50 minus 15 is equal to 35 marks. The heights of 10 children of 7th in inches: 61, 58, 55, 59, 63, 51, 57, 56, 60, 59. What is the range? Highest height 63 inches, lowest height 55 inches. Range of data is equal to 63 minus 55 is equal to 8 inches. Did you understand how to find the mean of the data? Yes.